Hi, everybody. Here I am again. And now we are going to talk about some of the tags that you should include inside the head part of your HTML document. So I'm sharing here my screen. So let's go back again to our uh, website here. I mean, the web editor. And we inside here the heads. The first tag that you should definitely put inside the head is the title tag. Okay, so as you can see, it has the closing. In the title tag, you're going to put the main title of your page. If you do not put that title tag, when you validate your HTML codes according to the W3C standards, you're going to get an error. And let me explain why. I'm going just to put here HTML. I just put example HTML as the title of my page. Now let's pay attention here to this website that I found. Okay, I found this website, Car and Driver. Okay, with an article about best new EVs and hybrids of 2021. Now, if you look here at the tab of the browser where this is open, you're going to see when I hover that it shows best new EVs and hybrids of 2021. This is where the title tag is going to produce. When you look at the source code of that page, I'm going to open the source code here, so please do not get all surprised or all shocked because it's a big HTML code. But what I want to call the attention is to the title tag. See, best new EVs and hybrids of 2021. So that's what is offering in the title here, in the tab here, the title. This makes it easier for people to locate your web page. Okay, so that's the title tag. Now, the other tag that you should include, it's the meta char set equal UTF-8. This UTF-8 can come, as you can see, it's a one-sided tag. It does not have a closing tag, okay? So it finishes like that, or it can finish like this, okay? So let me put just like this. Now that UTF-8 can be in capital or be lowercase. What this means is what kind of character encoding you are using when you are writing your web page. Now, what that character encoding offers, it converts any typed character into machine readable code. So the browser will understand the typed characters that you are using. The UTF-8 covers most of the characters used all over the world, okay? So that's why it's highly recommended. If you don't put the meta char set, you might receive a warning from the W3C when validating your code. Now, last but not least, I'm going to include the meta description tag. That meta tag has two attributes, the name attribute, which has the value of description. And it's like that, okay? You cannot create anything here. That's the type of meta tag you are using, meta description tag. Now, in the content, you're going to put a summary of the content of your page. So just a short example of HTML and later of CSS. So you have to put a summary, having in mind that this summary, that content value, will be the value shown if your page shows in the result of a Google search. So again, I looked at, I did a search of hybrid cars, okay, in Google. I'm not going to be paying attention to the advertisings, okay? Because those, they pay to be here in that position. I'm going to pay attention here at websites that come listed in the organic search, as I would say, okay? So based on the how many times their website has been viewed, and based also on the code used. Now, this is the site here that I opened here for us, okay? Now, look in the Google search that it has. A growing number of drivers are looking for electrified vehicles to save. That's describing that page. Now, let's take a look again in the source code of that page, and you're going to see the meta description right here. And it has exactly a growing number of drivers are looking for electrified vehicles to save gas and help the environment. Here's our list of best EVs and hybrids of 2021. So Google gets that content and put out there to describe your page. If you don't put that meta tag description, you don't get an error, okay, in validating your tag. But the problem is you are playing against your own web page when it is related to search engine optimization, SEO, okay? Because you are not giving Google an easy way to describe your page. So Google, what it does, if your page shows in a search list, Google tries to guess based on the content of the page, what might be a good description of that page. And then that's why in some web pages, you might see some weird description, some descriptions that do not make too much sense, okay? So for now, these are the 3 most important tags you should put inside the head. Now, they are not the only ones that you're going generally to see. You're going to see other types of meta tags as well, okay? You might see a link tag that generally is used to link an external CSS to your page. You might see a script tag that generally is used to insert JavaScript in your code. In other tags, I'm just covering here in that introduction, those 3 tags, okay? So I hope this helps you, and let's finish this part here.